Today, let us chant the Durga Stavaraja, which was sung by Yudhishthira. This is found in the 8th chapter of Virata Parva of Mahabharata. Viratanagaram ramyam gachamano Yudhishthiraha astuvan manasa devim Durgam Tribhuvaneshwarim Yashoda Garbhasambhutam Narayana Varapriyam Nandagopakule Jatam Mangalyam Kulavardhinim Kamsavidravanakarим Asuranam Kshayankarim Shilatata Vinikshiptam Akasham Pratigaminim Vasudevasya Bhaginim Divyamalya Vibhushitam Divyambaradharam Devim Khadgaketakaddharinim Bharavatarane Punye Ye Smaranti Sadashivam Tan Vai Tarayate Papat Panke Gamiva Durbalam Stotum Prachakrame Bhuyo Vividai Stotra Sambhavaihi Amantriya Darshana Kankshi Raja Devim Sahanujaha Namostu Varade Krishne Kumari Brahmacharini Balarka Sadrishakare Purnachandra Nibhanane Chaturbhuje Chaturvaktre Pinashroni Payodhare Mayura Pichavalaye Keyurangada Bhasi Devi Yatha Padma Narayana Parigraha Swarupam Brahmacharyam Cha Vishadam Tava Khechari Krishna Chavi Sama Krishna Sankarshana Samanana Bhibrati Vipulau Bahu Shakradhwaja Samuchrayau Patri Cha Pankaji Ghanti Stri Vishuddha Chaya Bhuvi Pasham Dhanur Mahachakram Vividhanyayudhani Cha Kundalabhyam Supurnabhyam Karnabhyam Cha Vibhushita Chandra Vispardhina Devi Mukhena Tvam Virajase Mukutena Vichitrena Keshabandhena Shobhina Bhujanga Bhogavasena Shroni Sutrena Rajata Vibhrajase Cha Bhaddhena Bhogene Vehamandaraha Dvajena Shikipichanam Uchritena Virajase Kaumaram Vratamasthaya Tridivam Pavitam Tvaya Tena Tvam Stuyase Devi Tridashaihi Pujyase Picha Trailokya Rakshanarthaya Mahishasuranashini Prasanname Surasreshte Dayam Kuru Shiva Bhava Jayatvam Vijaya Chaiva Sanghrame Cha Jayaprada Mamapi Vijayam Dehi Varadatvam Cha Sampratam Vindhye Chaiva Naghasreshte Tavasthanam Hi Shasvatam Kali Kali Mahakali Shidhumamsa Pashupriye Kritanuyatra Bhutaistvam Varada Kamacharini Bharavatare Ye Chatvam Samsmarishyanti Manavaha Pranamanti Chaye Tvam Hi Prabhate Tunara Bhuvi Natesham Durlabam Kinchit Putrato Danato Piva Durga Tarayase Durge Tattvam Durga Smrita Janaihi Kantareshu Avasannanam Magnanam Cha Maharnave दस्युभिर्वा निरुद्धानां त्वं गतिः परमान् नृणां जलप्रतरणे चैव कान्तारेष्वटवीषु च ये स्मरन्ति महादेवी न च सीदन्ति ते नराः त्वं कीर्तिश्रीधृतिः सिद्धिः ह्रीर्विद्या सन्ततिर्मतिः सन्ध्या रात्रिः प्रभा निद्रा ज्योत्स्ना कान्ति क्षमा दया नृणां च बन्धनं मोहं पुत्रनाशं धनक्षयं व्याधिं मृत्युं भयं चैव पूजिता नाशयिष्यसि सोऽहं राज्यात् परिभ्रष्टः शरणं त्वां प्रपन्नवान् प्रणतश्च यथा मूर्धा तव देवि सुरेश्वरी त्राहि मां पद्मपत्राक्षी सत्ये सत्या भवस्व नः शरणं भव मे दुर्गे शरण्ये भक्तवत्सले एवं स्तुता हि सा देवी दर्शयामास पाण्डवम् उपगम्य तु राजानम् इदं वचनमब्रवीत् देव्युवाच शृणु राजन्महाबाहो मदीयं वचनं प्रभो भविष्यत्यचिरादेव सङ्ग्रामे विजयस्तव मम प्रसादान्निर्जित्य हत्वा कौरववाहिनीं राज्यं निष्कण्टकं कृत्वा भोक्ष्यसे मेदिनीं पुनः भ्रातृभिः सहितो राजन् प्रीतिं प्राप्स्यसि पुष्कलां मत्प्रसादाच्च ते सौख्यम् आरोग्यं च भविष्यति ये च संकीर्तयिष्यन्ति लोके विगतकल्मषाः तेषां तुष्टा प्रदास्यामि राज्यमायुर्वपुः सुतम् प्रवासे नगरे चापि संग्रामे शत्रुसङ्कटे अटव्यां दुर्गकान्तारे सागरे गहने गिरौ ये स्मरिष्यन्ति मां राजन् यथाहं भवता स्मृतः न तेषां दुर्लभं किञ्चित् अस्मिन् लोके भविष्यति इदं स्तोत्रवरं भक्त्या शृणुयाद्वा पठेत वा तस्य सर्वाणि कार्याणि सिद्धिं यास्यन्ति पाण्डवाः मत्प्रसादाच्च वः सर्वान् विराटनगरे स्थितान् न प्रज्ञास्यन्ति कुरवो नरा वा तन्निवासिनः इत्युक्त्वा वरदा देवी युधिष्ठिरमरिन्दमं रक्षां कृत्वा च पाण्डूनां तत्रैवान्तरधीयत इति श्रीमन्महाभारते विराटपर्वणि अष्टमोऽध्याये युधिष्ठिरकृतश्रीदुर्गास्तोत्रम्. The benefits of chanting this particular stotra has been enlisted and assured by goddess Durga herself when she appeared before Yudhishthira pleased by this stotra. She says, ये च संकीर्तयिष्यन्ति लोके विगतकल्मषाः तेषां तुष्टा प्रदास्यामि राज्यम् आयुर्वपुः सुतम्. Whoever sings this with pure mind, having become free from all kinds of impurities, vigata kalmasha, with pure mind and sincerity and devotion, for them I become pleased on them. Tushta, tesham tushta, I become very pleased, and therefore I give kingdom, royal riches, rajyam, ayuhu, longevity, vapuhu, a healthy body, sutam, offspring. In the next verse, she also gives other benefits. Pravase nagare chapi, sangrame, shatru sankate, atavyam, durga kantare, sagare, gahane, girau. Ye smarishyanti mam rajan, yathaham bhavata smrita. During exile, in cities, in battlefields, while facing danger from enemies, in forests, forts, and places which are very hard to cross through, in oceans and in mountains, in deep oceans, Gahane. Those who remember me, O King Yudhishthira, Rajan, Emam Smarishyanti, those who remember me, Yathaham Bhavata Smrita, just like you have remembered me. In the same way, those who remember me in the same way, they don't have anything that is hard to obtain in this world. In the whole world, whatever they want to obtain, they can obtain. There is nothing which is hard for them to get. That is, I can grant them anything. That is the implicit meaning. Na tesham durlabham kinchit asmin loke bhavishyati. And those who chant this stotra, idam stotra varam bhaktya shrunuyadva patetava, those who listen to this stotra, shrunuyad is listen to, hear, or pateta, or chant, recite, tasya sarvani karyani siddhim yasyanti. Pandavaha, O Pandava brothers, their works will definitely gain success. Whatever they get involved in, their endeavors are granted with, blessed with success. Sarvani karyani siddhim yasyanti. All their works are completed successfully. Matprasadacha vas sarvan. This is a personal boon given to Pandavas. Mother Goddess Durga also says, by my grace, you while living in Virata Nagara, you 5 brothers and Draupadi, na prajnasyanti kuravaha, the Kurus, the Kauravas will not be able to recognize you, even if you go in front of them. Naravatan nivasinaha. Okay, what if Kurus did not recognize, but somebody else recognizes and tells it to the Kauravas? No man who lives here in Virata Nagara will also be able to recognize. Ityuktva Varada Devi Yudhishtiram Arindamam Raksham Kritva cha Pandunam Tatraiva Antaradhiyata. Having said this, the goddess, having spoken this to Yudhishthira, she protected the Pandavas. Raksham Kritva, she created protection. Some kind of mystical protective layer she created for Pandavas by her will, by her thought, by her words. And she disappeared there and there. Tatraiva Antaradhiyata.